Hi, welcome to the Letition channel. In the video, I'll show you how to make this exercise, and it's 9 arm bracket. Wow, this is the dimension for this part. You can see in this drawing. Then let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, let's start modeling from front end and click on normal 2. Then click this circle, and I want to start from this point, and I want to change the diameter value to 28.5 mm. Then I want to click this midpoint line, then change for construction, start from this point and make it horizontal. Right click and click select, and I want to change this dimension to 70.75 70 millimeter. Then click OK, zoom out, and then I want to click the offset entities and set the value to 30 millimeter. Then click to this line, click OK, and click the offset entity small, change the value to 10 millimeter, then click to this line and OK. Well, let's connect the line by select this, and I want to start from this point, just make it horizontal. Right click, click select, and select once more to this line. Right click and click select. Then I want to change the distance from this center circle, and it is 25 millimeter. Click to this line and make it horizontal, then connect to this line. This line has 130 millimeter for this distance, and set the height from this line to 40 millimeter. Let's make a fillet from this edge by click this fillet and set the value for the first one, and it is 70 millimeter. Then click to this line, click OK for the second one, and it is 25. Let's make a circle and set a value from this point, and it has the diameter for 17.5 millimeter, and make it the other one until connect to these sides. and then add lines. Right click and click select. Set the dimension or distance from this point, and it is 22 mm. Click offset entities. I'm sorry. Click line. Change to 30. Wow. Then let's delete the unnecessary line. Click delete at the keyword, then yes. For the next step, and I want to trim this line. Make sure the part trim selected. Click OK. Well, let's give the thickness by click the extrude pose. For the first one, the thickness is 10 mm, and I want to change the direction one box to mid-plane. Then select to this line and OK. Click to this toggle, click to the sketch and extrude pose. Set the value to 40 mm. Change to midpoint plane for the direction, and then OK. Click to this toggle and I want to click extrude cut. Set the value to 25 mm. And change to midpoint for the direction one box. Well, and then I want to click to the sketch and I want to give the thickness from the sketch and click extrude wash. And set the value to 35 mm. Then active to direction 1 and change the value to 5 mm. You can see the preview will like this. Then OK. Click to this surface and make it normal too. Then click sketch. Select to this straight shot. Just make it the horizontal anywhere. And I want to set this horizontal distance for this sketch to 38 mm. And then from this weight is 16.7 mm. Done. Click OK. Let's add the horizontal line. Its function to find the midpoint. Click to this point, press and hold the control button, and select to this midpoint, and make it vertical. Click OK, click Smart Dimension, and make the distance from this body or line to 60 millimeter. Done. And then click a feeder. Let's give the extrude cut. Click this sketch and OK. Then click this fillet. There are the information, and it is yes sir 60 millimeter, and click from all the edge. Well, if you want to add the fillets and rounds to 3 millimeter, click this feeders and select fillet icon. Change the 3 millimeter from this dialog box. You can click to this size. You can follow this video. Well, this is the optional. You can try or not. Then OK. If you want to change the color, click this appearance or edit appearance. For the example, for the basic color, and I want to change to green one, and select this sketch or surface. I want to change it is to yellow. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.